Hello. Regular expressions is a tricky topic to master. It is like a mini programming language, lots and lots of features and tricky corner cases. It requires consistent practice to get comfortable with this useful tool for text processing tasks. In this interactive GUI app, there are 75 questions on 4 regular expression methods: search, sub, split, and find all. This will help test your understanding of anchors, alternation, grouping, escaping meta characters, dot meta character, quantifiers, character class, grouping, lookarounds, flags, and many more features. Let us see a brief demo for all of these 4 regular expression methods. First is the search method. As you type your pattern, the app will automatically check whether it solves the required problem. Once a correct answer is found, reference solution will also be shown here. Next, let us look at a demo for the sub method. So this is the search pattern and this is the replacement string. Here's an example for the split method. If you are stuck on a problem, you can use this button to get the reference solution. Let's try that. And finally, here's an example for find all. So starting with R or S or T and maximum of 6 word characters. So like this, there are total 75 interactive exercises to help you practice Python regular expressions. Hope you find this tool useful.